Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Serpentine belt on a Toyota Tundra. First, gather your tools, including a 15mm wrench, a socket set, and your new belt. Safety is paramount, so ensure your engine is cool to the touch. Then, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any accidental engine starts during the process. This simple step ensures your safety throughout the repair. Now let's remove the old belt. First, find the belt routing diagram, usually a sticker under your hood. This diagram is crucial for correct reinstallation. Next, locate the tensioner pulley. It often has a square drive hole for your breaker bar. Insert your breaker bar and rotate it clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on your model, to release the belt tension. With the tension off, carefully slip the old belt off all the pulleys. With the old belt removed, it's time for the new one. Following your routing diagram, carefully thread the new belt around all the pulleys, saving the tensioner pulley for the very end. Reinsert your breaker bar into the tensioner. Apply tension to the pulley once more, creating enough slack to easily slip the new belt over the tensioner. Ensure the belt is perfectly seated in all the grooves on every pulley. Before you finish, perform a thorough visual inspection. Ensure the new belt is perfectly aligned and seated in every pulley groove. Then, reconnect the negative battery terminal, making sure it's tight and secure. Start your Tundra's engine and let it run for a few minutes. Watch the belt's operation closely and listen for any unusual squealing or flapping sounds, which could indicate an issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.